Well, in this case, climbing to 80,000, but that's all. So the bid goes on at 80. Well, Kendall is the official motor oil of Mecum Auctions. Those who know Kendall. And as usual, Kendall has tabbed some terrific cars to include on our good stuff list this week. And for more, we check in with Bill.
Oh, this is a goody good stuff pick from the Reggie Jackson collection. In fact, he's here prowling the block. You may see him pop up from time to time. And you know, Reggie, a big muscle car collector. 1969 Copo Camaro. You know the story, that special order, 427, 4¼ horse big block on a dyno closer to about 450 horsepower. And Mr. October has an affinity for 4-speed transmissions. This garnet red Copo Camaro has got the 4-speed. It is beautifully restored, and once again, Reggie Jackson, he knows how to pick them. And so does Kendall. That's why it's a good stuff pick here in Monterey.
Okay, Bill, thank you very much. And again, those who know Kendall. And by the way, our friend Emily Reeves has her Kendall good stuff picks as well. You can head over to Facebook or Instagram to see her choices. And you can also find all your Kendall needs at their website. I did see that car the other day out on the fairway here, John. That garnet red is spectacular. Fantastic car.
Saw it too, indeed.
Speaking of, a 63 split window coupe, 225,000.